Right, we've now finished the paving bar 1 in that far corner. Anyway, purpose of this video is we're going to do the pointing.
So the system that we're using is the Silka Fast Fix. This is a 14 kg bag. Apparently it covers up to 20 square meters, but I guess that depends on the depth and the size of your patio area. Now this was a really good system. I went for the grey option, and you can actually pick this up from most stores like B&Q, Wix, Homebase. I believe Homebase, but definitely B&Q and Wix anyway. But in this video, pretty straightforward. We're just going to compact the system down. It's got instructions on the back and also inside as well. I used a sort of like a brick pointing pen, but I actually found that was good for the initial sort of compression, and then just using my hands to sort of compact it down, as that just kept pushing it all back out again. So just kind of use your hands. You want a hose just to keep the area wet while doing this, unless you're doing it in the rain, and then it takes about 24 to 48 hours to dry after that. But if you find these videos helpful or entertaining in any way, then please do hit that subscribe button and also that like button. I would really appreciate it.
As soon as you open the bag, you have to use it within an hour. If not, you have to leave it to soak in water, and then it will last up to a month after that, before it's done. So we'll do it bag per bag and try and get it all done today if possible. The substance on the slabs, but hopefully once it dries up it can just be swept off. But I've also pointed along the front in there, and then also in the steps as well, so it's just got a nice finish to it and prevents it from seeping behind the timbers and just gives it a bit of longevity. So we'll see how we get on, but it is able to be applied in the wet or in the dry. Obviously probably better in the dry. But I just want to get it done now, and it is. So really happy with the present look. It really is starting to look great and come along. So next process is this path. Yeah, so far so good. Really happy with it. So wait and see what the process is like. Hey guys, so it's now the following day. It's probably been about maybe about 18 hours since we installed the pointing. So what I'm now going to do, I've just checked it seems to be drying quite well, so I'm now just going to brush off the top of the slabs and just get rid of the excess.